Hello everyone, my name is Gifty and welcome to my channel, The Day's Delight. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this tasty palm oil rice. And in my pan here, I have my beef. Make sure your pan is hot before you put your meat in it. You can use any meat of your choice. Our meat has also been washed with some fresh lemon and I season it with some salt, and we are going to leave it to caramelize for about 15 minutes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So whilst our meat is cooking, we are going to have our turmeric mix. In my blender, I have some fresh thyme, some fresh ginger, some spring onion, some Scotch bonnet, some garlic, some onion, and some fresh turmeric. If you don't have that, you can use the powdered one, and I added some water to blend. So as you can see, our meat has been caramelizing for about 15 minutes, and we are going to take everything out. And these are the natural oils from the beef. I didn't add any oil, and we are going to start with our palm oil rice. So on a medium heat, I added my palm oil and I added some shallot, and I'm going to add my turmeric mix to cook for about 5 minutes. I can't tell you to use any other oil because this is palm oil rice. So whilst our turmeric is cooking, we are going to have our tomato blend. In my blender, I have some shallot, some Scotch bonnet, some fresh tomatoes, and some fresh red bell peppers. And I'm going to add some water to blend. So our turmeric has been cooking and is ready, and we are adding our tomato blend. And we're going to mix everything together to leave it to cook for about 15 minutes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So now we're going to have our seasoning blend. In my blender, I have some smoked shrimps, some onions, and some tuna, and I'm going to add a little bit of water to blend. So now our tomato is cooked, and we are going to add our seasoning blend to it. You can choose to add any seasoning of your choice. So we are going to mix everything together to cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes. So now our tomato blend has been cooking for about 5 to 10 minutes now. And now we are going to add our meat to it to infuse the flavors into our meat. Yes. And I'm going to add some mushrooms as well. Here you can add any fish, anything that you want, you can add it to this recipe. And I'm going to add some fresh basil. Yes, the corner inkete. That's what I'm adding, and it's going to give it this nice aroma to our rice. You're going to leave it to cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. So now our meat and mushroom has been cooking for about 15 minutes now, and is ready. And our rice is going in now. So I'm using Jasmine Rice. You can choose to use any rice of your choice. And we are going to mix everything together, and you're going to season it with some salt. And here you can season it with any season of your choice. And we are going to add some fresh spinach to it and leave it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want me to do any recipes, please don't forget to comment down below. And I'm going to put all the ingredients down in the description box. Thank you. So as you can see, our rice is almost done. I didn't add any water to this recipe, and it's making our rice delicious because our stew is full of flavor. So I'm stirring it now, and I'm going to create some holes in our rice to also keep the steam around and cook it faster. So as you can see, our rice is ready. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you to all my lovely subscribers. Bye bye.